Let's talk about pinworms in adults, the unglamorous hitchhikers that spread fast and love routine slips in hygiene. Here's the quick cycle. At night, female pinworms slip out to the skin around the anus and lay thousands of sticky eggs. That's what causes the classic, itchy at night feeling. You scratch. Eggs right under your fingernails, onto pajamas, sheets, towels, even bathroom surfaces. Next, the hand-to-mouth moment. You eat, bite a nail, touch your lips, or you inhale tiny eggs that went airborne when you shook a bedsheet. Inside, eggs hatch in the small intestine, worms mature in the large intestine, and a few weeks later, the nighttime egg laying starts again. That's the loop. So how do adults actually get them? Family contact. I live with or care for an infected child and I'm changing sheets, helping at bedtime or cleaning the bathroom. Poor hand washing. I skip a proper scrub after the toilet or before eating. Contaminated stuff. I touch bedding, towels, toys, or toilet seats with eggs on them, then touch my mouth. Crowded living. Hostels, dorms, shared housing, or care facilities make spread easier. Sexual transmission. Anal-oral contact with an infected partner can pass eggs. Self-reinfection. I scratch, then later eat a snack or bite a nail. Boom, back in. A few key clarifications. Adults often catch pinworms from kids or partners. Pets do not transmit pinworms to humans, that's a myth. Want to break the cycle? Think cause to cure path. Treat the person as advised by a clinician and often the whole household at the same time. Wash hands with soap and warm water after the toilet, morning and night, and before eating. Keep nails short, avoid nail biting. Morning shower to remove eggs, change underwear daily, and sleep in tight-fitting underwear. Hot wash bedding, pajamas and towels. Avoid shaking fabrics. Clean bathroom surfaces regularly. During intimacy, avoid anal-oral contact until treatment is complete and symptoms resolve. Pinworms spread because the cycle is sneaky. Break the hand-to-mouth handoff, and you break the infestation.